2021 Toyota 4Runner, air filter, cabin filter, all the wiper blades, and I'm going to show you where the oil filter is. This is a 4.0 engine, and it's the TRD Pro, but if yours has the 4.0, it'll all pretty much be the same. So for the air filter, you want to come and undo these clips right here. There's 4 total. There's one right here, and then if you come from the side and look down, there's a clip down here as well. Undo that. And then you're just going to kind of lift this up and push it towards the engine so you can kind of compress that air boot. Just be careful, over time that air boot will become very brittle and it'll be very easy to break, so just be careful. Kind of snake this guy out right here, and here he is. This is the air filter. Now we're going to get a new one. This is a Toyota air filter. This is the part number. This is what it looks like. I'll put links in the description for all the filters, the wipers, everything, so check the description in the comments for that stuff. So you want to kind of lift this up and then just slide this back in. That's kind of like the quick way to do it. I mean, if you really wanted to like take the sensor off and the air boot off, you could do all that, but that's like making like a 10-minute job into like a 30-minute job. That's up to you though. All right, so we'll go and get these clips back on. All right. Now for the cabin filter, you want to come inside your car here, open your glove box. There's a little sneaky door right here. You take this off just by pushing down those tabs, and then here's your cabin filter access door. Notice it has an arrow pointing up. To get this off, you just squeeze the little tabs on the side, and then we will just slide this off. Try not to drop it. Notice on my filter there's an arrow that says up as well. If your filter has an arrow that says up on it, make sure when you put it in, the arrow is pointing up. If it says airflow with the arrow pointing down, then you put it in with the arrow pointing down. So also, if you have any noise on high, you might have like a leaf or any kind of debris in here. You want to maybe just check, make sure there's nothing in the blades. Obviously with the blower motor off and the car off. Here's my cabin filter right here. Now it says up with an arrow, so I'm going to put it in like this. Boom, and that's a Toyota cabin filter, and then I'm going to put this on to where the arrow is pointing up as well. This just pushes right back into place. Not a big deal. And then you put your little trapdoor thing back in here. The tabs on the bottom go in first. You line those 3 tabs up on the bottom, and then you just tilt it forward, and it'll just clip into place. It'll snap into place, and that's it. That's how you do your cabin filter. So the wipers are right here. Here are the wiper blade sizes. Links in the description. 20 and 24. The one on the passenger side is smaller, so you want to pop this little lockup right here with a flathead or something, or a butter knife. You can slide this straight backwards and then lift the metal arm straight up. Sometimes they could be stubborn, but yeah, it's not a big deal. I got my new one here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this little lockup right here, and then I'm gonna come put it on. I'm gonna hook the little metal arm into this spot. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just gonna lift this up like this, put it right into the opening, and then pull the wiper blade towards the outside of the car. If you're doing the driver's side, you'll pull it the same direction. So they both go in the same direction to lock. Now the rear wiper blade, here's the part number, links in the description. There's a little more to it. You want to turn your power on and turn your rear wiper arm on, and then right when it's in the middle of its path, you're going to turn the car off. So I turn it on INT just to get it going there, and then I'm going to stop the car. I'm going to turn the car off, so then that's stuck in right there. And then here it is. It kind of goes on the same as the windshield ones. I'm just going to hook this. So while this is down here, you're going to lift this up, just kind of pull the bottom forward like this, and then just kind of massage it off. Sometimes they could be a little stubborn or tricky. Be patient. Don't these rear wiper arms break super easy, so just be careful. Your new one, you're just going to take that little pillar part that's in the wiper arm and just push it right into the arm there, and then you just turn your wiper blades or wiper thing back to normal. Under this little tray, I mean, here's your oil filter plug. It's underneath a little panel cover, and then this panel right here, gravel guard, skid guard, whatever you want to call it, has to come off to have access to the oil filter. So I'll put links in descriptions. I'm not going to show you to take it off, but that's how you do it. Here's your oil filter part number. This is a Toyota one. It's an A5, and this is all that it comes with. I have multiple videos on how to do the Toyota filters, but thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you out. Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.